vad är det värsta som kan hända, va? Vi dör! Here we go! Håll min hand. Jag är taggad som fan. Nej. Nej, såklart. Jag har realistiska höjder. Men jag har ju typ inte liksom. Jag vill bara kolla så det sitter ordentligt. Jag är med nu.
Härlig schablik, ja.
Ja.
Yeah!
Jävlar och närma. Shit, ja men där genom dimman. Fy fan. Ja, det är inte roligt. Alltså jag tycker det är läskigt kanske. Ja. Ja men fy fan vad det suger i magen liksom. Ja, det var trevligt. Lite lagom. Har de någon värre? Nej, har de inte. Har de någon värre? Ja, jo, men Atmosphere är lite väl. Alltså jag gillar Berg- och Dalbana mycket bättre.
Dra ner bilen och knyp bältet. Please pull down the safety guard and buckle your seatbelts.
It's inspired by Bolliger. So on this station we operate a little bit different if you compare with the other coasters, because we have a person stand and the size where everyone will sit, and we also have front seat queue, and we have single rider queue. And you're not allowed to bring up bigger objects to the station, so you need to leave them in a locker before the ride. Of course it's okay to bring some glasses or phones or keys or so. So that is why they collected quite fast. So that means that you can just directly find a seat and pull down the safety bar, and then they're ready to go. So operation here is quite fast. And we like it, and the guests like it. The first year it was a little bit difficult for the guests to understand it, because they were used to do whatever they wanted. but now after a few years they know what to expect. Now in the service, when you ask people, they think it's okay. And here in this control booth you have a lot of screens. You can see the more important parts of the track. So here you see the train coming into the brake run, for example. So the first one here is also the brake run, the waiting areas. You can go into the station garage, and here you have the train we just dispatched. And after you leave there, it will come up in screen number 3. And when it leaves screen number 3, it comes up in screen number 4, and then it's gone. After that, we can't do anything until it comes in to the brake run. And then we have 2 cameras for the queue area. And the story about Valkyria is that it's inspired by the Norse mythology. And the Valkyria was kind of an angel that was picking up the fallen warriors from the battlefields. So what you do is to be on the flight of a Valkyria. You go up in the sky and search for the bravest warriors that have been fallen in the battles, dive down, pick it up, take it on a ride and put it where it belongs, here in Valhalla, the station, where it's party with the gods every evening and night. So that's the story. We had some problem with the construction of Valkyria because of the tunnel, and that was because of the mud. Here in the Gothenburg area, there's a lot of mud in the ground. So when we built up the hole, it was a hole, but then when you came back one day later, it wasn't a hole anymore. So we needed to find some solutions for that. So it was delayed with a few months in 2018. So we opened up Valkyria in August instead of April. So that wasn't so fun for us, but at least the result became really good. And we put a lot of energy on the theming of the station, and also the whole experience where when you walking out and can see the routes so from trees. So we like it as a ride in the park, and the guests like it as well to ride.